Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to enable advanced mode in the Raspberry Pi imager. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to have to do obviously is open the Raspberry Pi imager. We can do that by clicking on our start bar and type in Raspberry, and you can see come up here Raspberry Pi imager. Say yes when user account control kicks in. Okay, so this just looks like a standard Raspberry Pi imager. You can choose your OS. Obviously, if anybody's seen any of my tutorials before, I always use Raspberry Lite. Choose storage. Oh, actually, I can image a USB drive, so I could do this. So to enable advanced mode, you do Control Shift and X, and here we go. Now you can set these customizations for this session only, or to always use. So the benefits of doing it this way is you can enable SSH, and you can set the password for the Pi user. You can also set a host name. By default, it's Raspberry Pi, but you could set that to whatever you wanted. So if knew you were building out, for example, a torrent box, you could call it torrent.local. You can set your password in here. You can also have it authenticate using keys. We'll maybe look at that in another tutorial. You can also configure Wi-Fi by setting the SSID and password, country that it's in, and including the local settings such as your time zone. And while that doesn't seem like much, if you're making something based on a Raspberry Pi Zero, for example, being able to enable SSH and set up the Wi-Fi is a lot easier to do with a web interface like this than it is to edit actual files. So I'm just going to click Save, and there we go. If I was now to write this image, the image would now boot up, and it would have SSH enabled, and it would have the new password for the Raspberry Pi. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.